Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how we can copy this photos text into our mobile phone and very easy way. Keep in mind that if you want to do that process using our laptop or computer, you can check out my other video that is provided on the I button and description below. Now what we have to do, we have to just follow the process. I'm gonna let you know in just few seconds, and before proceeding I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. If we have any page or any photo or anything like this and we want to copy the text of that page or photo, how we can do so? First of all, you have to download or open the Google Lens app. As you can check out, this one is Google Lens app. When we click on that, it will open like this, and click on this camera button. After that, you will see camera opens like this, and after that you have to take the photo of that data or page you want to copy. As you can check out, it's now showing like this. You have to click on this text button over here. When you click on text, it will copy the all text, and after that you have to click on this select all. As you can check out, it has selected all the data. If you want to edit according to yourself, or you want to copy less data or anything, any line you want to discard from that, you can do so. And as you can check out, I have selected the photo of text over there, and when we selected, we have to click on this copy text, and as you can see, copy it to clipboard and go to the any software or any chatting website or anywhere. As you can check out, I am just pasting this data into the WhatsApp, and after that send it. And as you can check out, this data is exactly the same data which we wanted to copy from that page. Hope you understood and liked this video and understood that how we can copy any page data into text. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.